This is the main lobby of Hacienda Urubamba, just gorgeous space. And I think the best views in the entire Sacred Valley looking out these windows. It's absolutely stunning. Place to sit and relax, have a drink. Over here's the bar. With Julio at Inkaterra, Hacienda Urubamba. He's taking me up to my casita now, number 21, and I'm going to give you a little tour of the casita once we get up here. We're in the golf cart. So from where the golf cart dropped me off, it's just a few steps up the path to get to my casita number 21. There's 24 of these casitas. This is the main room category at Inkaterra, Hacienda Urubamba. Here's looking from the outside at my casita number 21, and let's go walk inside and have a look around before I explode my luggage all over the place. Alright, so this is walking in. Huge king-size bed. We have a television. We have our tea and coffee station. And then we have a mini bar. This is the Do Not Disturb sign, which is a basket full of herbs. And then here we have a little table and chairs. That area. And then 2 seats, wood-burning stove. Walk you warm right now. I don't think I'm going to be lighting that until much later. And here we have another little sofa sitting area. And then I'm going to walk you back into the bathroom area, which is quite spacious. So here's the sink. Nice Inkaterra amenities. So they're all natural products. And then you have this huge area for your luggage, your showers, extra blankets, umbrella. And then there's 2 doors so you can fit. Look at this view, sitting out here. Urubamba is about a 10-minute drive down the valley that way. We're looking over that little side canyon coming in as Guayabamba, if you're away from here. So this is a Superior Deluxe, so this is the entry level category room at Hacienda Urubamba. This is right off of kind of the main lobby reception area and restaurant. So you can see size-wise. And then this doesn't have as large a bathroom as the junior suites, which is kind of the main difference in that. Here's the bathroom. And then you have the towel rack on either side. You have the toilet, and then you have your shower there. So this is a Superior Deluxe, the entry-level category at Inkaterra, Hacienda Urubamba. And there are no connecting rooms at the hotel, but there are these 2 and 3 and 5 and 6 that have outer doors that can be closed, and then these are 2 individual Superior Deluxe rooms. So those can be left open, and you can lock this outside door to form a kind of 2-room connecting suite. Okay, so we're gonna have a look at room number 9, which is a junior suite here in the main Hacienda building. So walking in, here you have a nice fireplace, television, sitting area here. Even fit in the full frame, so it works. And here, right off of the reception, I'm going to walk you up into the one and only suite here at Inkaterra, Hacienda Urubamba. So it's kind of right off the main lobby and courtyard. This room actually sits above the restaurant, and you have your own floor up here. So we're going into the main suite. Huge corner room here. So then